Hello friends, in this video right now I'll show you how to set downloaded song ringtone on your device. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Here you have to click on sound and vibration. Then you have to click on ringtone. Okay, so click on ringtone. Then here what you see is here you will find the plus icon. Okay, so you have to click on this plus icon. Okay, and here you'll find your audios, okay, or music. This is your albums, this is your artist folders you can find from here. Okay, you can select music also. Suppose I click on music, then click on this song. See, after if you want to set this song or music, just click on done. Okay, after you have been selected, just click on done any, okay, from your file. Okay, just click on done and it will be applied successfully on your device. Okay, downloaded song ringtone will be applied on your device. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.